Hey there everyone, Lauren Ledesma here with a little tutorial on how to make missing grades, or missing work rather, show up on a student account in Schoology. So this might be common knowledge to some, but it wasn't to me, and I figured this out over the weekend while I was putting in grades. So the first thing that you want to do as the teacher is ensure that, for example, for tomorrow's assignment, that you have it as graded assignments or homework or whatever category you want. This will flag it as something that should go into the grades tab on Schoology. So I have this assignment marked as important. I'll just phrase it like that. And I put all of my assignments, no matter the subject, into my AM attendance. It's just easier for my kiddos to find with all of them there, and they see everything for the day, over, under, upcoming. So how you can flag assignments so students and parents, more importantly, can see what assignments are missing is in your grade book. So this is last term. This is the one that automatically pops up for me. But if I want to see the grades I have for this trimester, I go here. So as you can see, they're listed here. And as you start adding on more assignments that you want to take as a grade in PowerSchool, you just mark them as important assignments like I went over before, and they'll show up here. The important thing is this flag. Once you mark it as missing, so I plan on doing this at the end of every day, whoever wasn't able to finish an assignment by the end of the day, I will flag it as missing. That way, if the parents go in that night, they can automatically see that it's missing. Pretty cool tool, quick and easy thing to do at the end of every day when you're looking over work or whenever you feel fit. And then this is my virtual or my face-to-face students. These are my virtual students, and just do the same thing. So the important part is what the student can see. So I have my fake student account, Compossible, here. And if I want to look at missing work, I'm going to go to the AM attendance. I'm going to go to grades. And here I see all of last term's missing assignments. I'm not sure if there's a way to hide this after, or hide this now. But if you scroll all the way down, you get to trimester 2. And here's where you see the missing assignments. So, for example, if I were to go to Kim's name and flag hers, which I have her on as a student in Schoology, but she does not show up in PowerSchool for obvious reasons. So I marked hers as missing. If I go back to my student account, let me find it, refresh the page, now it's missing. So it's a quick and easy way for parents to just see all missing work, and I experimented with it for last term's assignments. As you can see going down, missing work shows up here, and if you go and put in grades on Schoology, those grades will show up here as well as you put them in, if you would like parents to keep up with how well their students doing. So thought this was pretty cool. You may have already known about it, but I didn't, and just in case anyone else didn't, I thought I would share. So hope this helps somebody. I know it helped me. Have a good one, guys.